today's video, we're going to take a quick look at my kit, my plate carrier, and my Battlebelt, and a few other goodies. So sit back and enjoy. Halloween day. Gonna be crazy warm, 40 degrees. You can see the last of the fall colors here in good old Pennsylvania. A little on the cool side right now, but I'm set up and ready to rock and roll in a couple minutes. Unfortunately, PA's got this funny rule about not using the ranges before 8 in the morning on the state-owned ranges. So I gotta wait a few seconds for the clock to tick down, but that's a 50 yard and you see the 100 yard off in the distance. All right, here's my basic setup. The Battlebelt from Tacticon Armament. I bought it used off of eBay, mainly because it was my size, and I didn't see too many bad reviews for, being a basic belt. And it's been through all kinds of changes and whatever, but this is my current setup. The holster is a Teague, T-E-G-E. That's kind of recent. I had one of those cheapy drop leg nylon ones got off of eBay, and I just never could get the thing to stay still. So replaced that with another one, and then a different brand, and finally settled on this one. And so far it's been so good. Of course, I did a little color matching on it. My knife here is a Gerber. Get the model number. It's got some use to it, but I'm not much for super expensive knives. I just kind of figure it's a tool. It's going to get used, probably get broken. Here we have a canteen pouch. I use this kind of as a dump pouch. Something else I did a little matching on because it was a ACU. I got a mag pouch here that has a tourniquet in it. I should have a full med kit. I do have a med kit, I just don't have it on here. A couple of pistol mags. And one rifle mag on here. These clips here. Everybody and their brother sells these things, but if you look on Temu, Temu is a Chinese place, you can get these things for like 75 cents a piece. Dirt cheap. Okay, moving back to the plate carrier. My plates are from Tactical Scorpion. They're 3A, I believe. I had gotten those with just a basic plate carrier, and, and then I went and found this guy. Again, it's a Tacticon Armament, and it was used. It was missing the shoulder straps, so I had to replace the shoulder pads, so I had to replace those. I was missing the mag pouches as well. And these are your basic ACU military surplus ones, used, but a little bit of paint, shove some newspaper in them and wipe them down a few times with some, appropriate paint, and they blend in quite fine. There's a guy out in the Northwest, if you guys are familiar with Pacific Northwest Guerrillas or whatever he calls himself. His surplus website has these like 5 for $10. I mean, dirt cheap. Cell phone carrier, also from Temu. I mean, everybody else sells these things for like 30, $35, but Temu, I bought this one for 10. It's the same thing. And I just picked up a spare one. Somebody had them on special for like $7. So can't go wrong. And I wish the cummerbund was just a little longer on this thing. I might have to try playing with the adjustments a bit. But yeah, I've been running it now for a bit, and no serious issues. Of course, I get a lot of looks sometimes down here at the range when people show up. They see the body armor and they say, "Boo, boo, boo." It's like, I mainly wear it just for exercise and get some training and so. But anyways, that's my current kit. And I do like shooting with gloves. Just my thing, you know. These are just the cheap airsoft type ones, but I've got these in green. I got a pair of black ones someplace. These are from Temu. Run these a few times. They're not too bad. They have the finger pads on them, work on the phones. And these are Victos, American company. These are their cold weather gloves. I forget the model number of them. They're not for super, super cold. I mean, if it's 15 degrees out, nothing seems to work for that. But for light duty cold, like 30 or 20, 28 degrees, they're not too bad. So that's just another part of my kit here. And here I am suited up. Glock mounted and all that good stuff. And the point of all this is I maybe have 250, a little less than 300 bucks total in all this stuff. So it's possible to build a fairly decent kit if you're not spending a lot of money. I know everybody wants top of the line stuff, but I just don't see the need for it right now. I might regret that once SHFT hits, but you will have this. Well, that's all for this one, folks. I hope you'll enjoy my little presentation and stay tuned because there's going to be more to come.